Hey everyone, we are going to be exploring Tinkercad, and as you can see from our first slide of today, you have some directions to follow to be able to log into Tinkercad. Once you've done that, I started playing around, seeing what it was like to take something that was already created about solar system, try to play with it. And then another one, and I tried to play with it, and it really wasn't working well for me. So I started from scratch. Not on Scratch, but I started from scratch. And I clicked on Create New Design, and I picked a sphere, and I also looked at science bits in the Explore section for the diameters of the model of the solar system and their models in millimeters. So I created a Mercury that was 1.4 millimeters in diameter. That means going from one side of the sphere to the other side. And I tried to get all dimensions to be about 1.4 millimeters. So I'm going to go into Venus. I'm going to go and create a Venus right now. So create new design. And this is the floor plan, and of course I'm creating a sphere, so I'm just going to go ahead and put one on here. And I saw that Venus's millimeters was 3.5. So, where am I now? It says I'm at 20 millimeters. So I'm actually going to take it into be a lot smaller. Like really small, huh? Because, well, you know, these planets are small. 3, back 2, well, I'll start there, try to bring the left hand side in a little bit, 2, 3, so I have to try to make it a half a size bigger. Now, mind you guys, I am not Tinkercad genius or anything like that. I am just trying to play with it a little bit, see if I can become familiar with it. So now I'm going to try to flip my view. Here's the back. And truly, it is not the right size. So 20 down to 3. I would like to make this as close to 3.5 as possible. So over on the bottom right here, it says Snap Grid. I'm going to change it so that I can get to as close as I can, maybe to the 0.5 millimeter. So 3.5 there. And let's see if I could do 3.5 out to the left. And it doesn't look like I am, so I might have to change my view and go a different way. So let's see. 3.5, 3.5. I don't like that view, so I'm going to go back this way. 3. So I'm going to see if I could pull out just a little to 3.5. And I'm still struggling, but, you know, eventually once I figure this out and have a little fun with it, let's see. I'm 3.5 up, but I need to go 3.5 out. So I wonder if I need to go from like the top view or something. Let's try it. Top. 3.5. 3. Maybe I could pull out 2, 3. Nope, 2.5. Nope, going the other way. 3.5. Good. Yes, I'm cheering myself on here. 3. Oh, wow. Hello, too big. Let's undo what I just did. 3. 3. I can't see what that even says. I'm in my own way. Let me try a different view. Front. Try it again. 3. It's three and a half high. I just need to get, no. Seriously, you guys are probably better at this than I am. So I pulled in a little closer, see if I can get a better view. What if I grab some other area? And that's my email. Aren't you glad you know that? Still not swinging it, but here, wait, does this 3.5 there? I need to do 3.5 out. And maybe I need to be at the bottom. No, undo. If I am not able to get this any better than 3 and 3.8, I already did 3. I don't need to go up, right? I need to go out. Well, let's just say this. If I can't get any better than the 3, then I'm going to leave it as is, and it's going to be just a half a millimeter off. But I don't really want to do that. I want to get this really good. But in any case, I also want you to make sure that you create these spheres so that they are hollow and they don't take too much of the 3D printing material. Okay. Oh, yay, I think I figured it out. 3.5. 3. No. And that would be wrong. Let's see. 3.5. 3.5. Let's take a look from the other side. It's not bad. It's 3.5. Alright, so I'm going to call this Venus. 3.5 millimeters. Save. And then I'm done. So I'm going to go back out to the Tinkercad area, click the home page, and I'm going to just start over again with creating Earth. Where I can hit Create New Design. I hope this was helpful, guys. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.